Hola, friends. Please join us as we examine the cunita. That's Espanol for cradle, although it's actually more like a rocking horse. And in fact, we often call it the rock step. And because of that soft nature, it's often used with lyrical, melodic music, flowing music, or music where we want to express emotions.
Yes, it is also incredibly useful for navigating around the dance floor. So not only can we connect musically, we have to make sure that we're connected to our fellow dancers in la ronda. And sometimes there can be a little traffic jam ahead of you. Sometimes you're not able to always progress forward, and the cunita is a great way of still staying very musical, but staying in one spot, so that way you can prevent yourself from traveling forward into the next couple. So to break it down, we're still going to approach this with our same wind up and intention for when we are going forward. So bring that back, load that leg. Then as we go into this movement, we want to think about landing in a nice squishy foam rubber pit, back and forth. It kind of bounces you gently back to the other side, bounces you to the other side, and like Arjun was saying, very melodical, very soft, very gentle. When you're ready to finish this, which usually this is repeated several times in a row before finishing, we'll gather up our energy, we'll recreate that wind up and intention to then give our partner the idea that we have completed that step and we are ready to move on.
Part of the range of possibilities with the cunita is to actually use it in a rhythmical fashion. May I demonstrate?
Please, yes.
So instead of stepping into a deep foam rubber pit, we have just a little bit of rebound, and so that we can make it faster and more rhythmical.
If you'll notice, no matter which version we're doing, the soft one or the faster rhythmical one, Arjun and I are both keeping our weight very much in the center of the movement. Let's do that again. By not overcommitting to one direction or the other, it tells our partner to also be ready for that reversal of direction. If Arjun were to come all the way onto the foot, then I would expect that we're going to at least stay there. That's his signal that we're stopping. So by the leader keeping their weight in between, it helps encourage the follower to keep their weight in between, and it allows a quick communication of that reversal back and forth and back and forth.
Something else you may have noticed is that each time, whether we were turning counterclockwise, we were turning into our forward leg. Both of us were. And clockwise, again, we're turning into our forward leg. This keeps us twisted and our body organized. If we turn to our back leg, things open up and our energy is dispersed and it's not clear what's happening.
Absolutely. And it doesn't look nearly as nice either, right? So work this in your solo practice first. Remember, keep that weight in between, keep it squishy, whether you're doing it quickly or slowly. And we look forward to seeing you on the next exploration. Until then, abrazos.